Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the actual settings file so you edit the right source. You must be in a shell with permission. Once connected, run Roman 6 on the network config path. You enter Roman 6 in command mode by default, so press I to switch to insert and change values. Make small, targeted edits, IP addresses, DNS, gateway, because Roman 6 has no autosave. You will save intentionally. This avoids accidental downtime and gives you full control as you proceed to syntax checks. Now you make the detailed edits. You change address, netmask, gateway, and DNS entries with attention to spacing and colons so the parser accepts them. Use: set new to show line numbers and slash followed by a keyword to jump to the exact stanza, which saves time and reduces errors. Once done editing, press ESC to leave insert mode. Then write changes with W or write and quit with WQ. Make sure to leave no trailing tabs or broken indentation that could break parsing. Finish by applying and validating your edits so the system uses the new values. You typically run systemctl restart networking or use ifdown and ifup for the specific interface. This forces the kernel to reread the config. Then run ipedit and iproute and ping a known address and a hostname to confirm DNS. If something fails, reopen the file in Roman 6 to inspect syntax, revert to the previous known good lines, and check journoctl or syslog for error messages to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.